Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Lush Demo. This is their Puppy Love Bubble Bar. This is an online exclusive, so mine did come a little crumbled, slightly damaged in the mail. So how you use these is before you turn on the water, you just stick it under the faucet. So you don't want to fill up your tub first or else it's not really going to make very many bubbles. And you run it under the water, crumbling it as it flows through your fingers. So obviously, if you wanted to get more for your money's worth, you can break off pieces of it and use it for multiple baths. But I was using this for the kids' bath, so I just put the whole thing in there. This is 5.2 ounces, so it's rather large and kind of expensive. It's $9.95, but like I said, you can make that go a lot further if you break it up into pieces. Get several baths out of it. At this point, there's not much water in my tub, and there's pretty many bubbles, and I've barely used any of the bubble bar. So it all started crumbling, and basically what I do is I just keep picking up the chunks of pieces and running it under the water and crumbling it in my hands. And this smelled so good. It had mandarin oil and cherry scented almond essential oil, so it's a nice fruity scent. Just smelled so good. I'll show you the water here. Started out a light purple, then it got darker purple as the more of it crumbled and mixed in the water. So it ended up almost looking like a red wine shade. Very, very pretty. I did order most of their Valentine's Day collection, including the bath bombs and this bubble bar. So if you're interested, make sure you check out my channel because I will have those posted shortly. I've already posted a couple of them. I try to do the holiday themed bath bomb, so if you ever want a demo on something, leave me a comment or check my channel. I might already have one posted. But here's how many bubbles were in the tub, and still not too much water is in the tub. They just keep piling up. You can kind of see the water there at the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.